What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw Colt from Brawl Stars. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. So first of all, I'm gonna draw his eyebrow. So I'm gonna draw a diagonal line at this point right there, and I'm gonna draw another similar line on top, and on the side I'm gonna connect the two together with a semicircle line. Now on the right side I'm gonna draw another eyebrow, so we're gonna copy the same shape, but I'm gonna position it slightly above at that point right there. Now for his eye, I'm gonna start with the right eye, so I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point to the side of the eyebrow and continue to the other side, and I'm gonna extend it a bit on the right side. So we're gonna thicken this middle part of that line right there, and for the bottom part of the eye I'm gonna draw another curved line, another semicircle line upside down, and in the inner corner of the eye I'm gonna add an oval shape and fill that in with black color. And for the left eye, I'm gonna draw a similar shape at this corner right here. And also the lower part of the eye as well. And a black oval for his pupil. Now for his nose, I'm gonna draw across a curved line in the middle of the eye at the lower point right here, like that, and another curved line in the opposite direction below, like that. And then below that shape I'm gonna draw a curved line across and slightly to the right, right there. And I'm gonna draw his hairline from the side on the left here, and take this point and draw a line up, and I'm gonna make a diagonal turn on the top corner right there and turn it back to the center right there. And going back to the lower side of the beard, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the center and turn it down right there. And I'm gonna make a sharp turn back out to the left and make a semicircle turn at the corner, and then I'm gonna draw another curved line to that point right there, and then I'm gonna draw a circular line out for his ear to the lower point of the beard right there. And above the beard I'm gonna draw a line from this point up, and then I'm gonna make a turn towards the center and up, And then I'm gonna draw a curved line at that point, and another bigger curved line in the center on top right there. I'm gonna copy the same shape on the right side for all the shapes. Now for his chin, I'm gonna draw across a curved line from that point to the right. And in the middle of his chin, I'm gonna add a cross right there, and we're gonna thicken the lines right there. And below his side, his eye on the side, I'm gonna draw two short curved line on both sides. And below the head, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the side to the center right there. And from the center, I'm gonna draw a diagonal line out and turn it down to the side. Then I'm gonna make a sharp turn back to the side of the face with a curved line. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And for his shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from this point right here and turn it down at the side right there. And below the collar in the center, I'm gonna draw a line down and a semicircle turn out right there. And for the side of his shoulder, I'm gonna draw a curved line out from this point and down, and then I'm gonna make a line out. And for the sleeves, I'm gonna draw a curved line across at this point and a line down on both sides. And a curved line across at that point again. Now at the outer point of the sleeve, I'm gonna draw a line down, a curved line to the side of the wrist. And for the inner line, I'm gonna draw a line down and a curved line below that. And then I'm gonna take this point and draw a curved line to the left and turn it down, and a semicircle turn at the tip and back up. And for the other finger, I'm gonna draw a curved line at this point and turn it sideways and up, and repeat that across for the other finger. And at this corner right here, I'm gonna make a turn up to that point and a few short lines at this corner right there. Now I'm gonna repeat the whole thing on the left side as well. Now below the vest, on the side, I'm gonna continue the line of the shirt inside, and I'm gonna draw across a curved line for his belt at that point right there, and a line at the side down. I'm gonna draw another curved line below that across, and in the middle I'm gonna add a rectangular shape at this corner right here, and surrounding that I'm gonna draw another rectangle for the buckle, and with circular edges, and another rectangular shape inside of that, also with rectangular edges. I mean circular edges. Now at the side, I'm gonna add a rectangular shape right there, and at the lower point I'm gonna draw a circular shape across, and a line above that, and another one at this point right here. I'm gonna copy that shape on the left side as well, and another one on this side on the right. And below the belt, I'm gonna draw his legs with a curved line on the side right here, and I'm gonna make a turn around the knee slightly to the center, and in the middle below the buckle I'm gonna draw a curved line across, and off center I'm gonna draw the line, inner line of the leg with the line down and outwards below the knee. Then from that point I'm gonna draw a line in and a semicircle turn to the center and down, and then back up to the side on the left. Now at this inner outer corner here, I'm gonna draw a line out and turn it downwards, and we're gonna do the same thing on the right side of that leg all the way to the heels, and for the front part I'm gonna turn it diagonally to the front with a curved line and across a curved line from the front to the back right there. And I'm gonna copy the whole leg on the right side as well. that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time!